Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I am finally doing a video on how I shape and fill in my eyebrows. So I have never ever gotten my brows professionally done in my life because they grow out within 2 to 3 days after I do them. So yeah, and I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows with a facial eraser. Did I just film this video because I really wanted to show my eyebrow routine, or because I was too lazy to do my eyebrows for 2 weeks and they got horrendously bad? So I was like, let me film this on camera because content. Well, that's a secret I'll never tell. XOXO. First, I like to take some micellar water and just go over my eyebrow to remove any leftover makeup or impurities. Then I like to swab over the area with a bit of Dettol just to make sure that I don't get any pimples forming from any bacteria around the area. Then we just want to dry the area. Then once it's dry, I just take my facial razor blade and just remove the excess hair. It's like that simple. So yeah, we just go on top and on the sides. I usually go against the grain of the hair. That way you don't see any stubble if you have thick eyebrow hairs like me. You can see that some of my hairs at the front here are a bit longer than they should be, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim those. So I'm just going to comb the hairs upwards and snip. And I'm quite happy with this. So here's the finished eyebrow. And here's the other eyebrow, which I haven't done, and you can see quite a difference. It just neatens things up a lot. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and I'm just going to use this old ass brow pomade that I got from Discam like 5 years ago. It's kind of hard, but it works. So I'm just gonna dip that in there. Yeah, it's rock solid. But anyway, and I'm just going to fill this in gently. I generally don't fill in a lot because I do have quite thick eyebrow hairs naturally. And then I just go in and clean up the edges with some concealer. And there we go. I think you can kind of see a difference. And then you can just go ahead and pop some highlighter on your brow bone. And voila. Let me just go and do the other eyebrow. And there you have it. That's the second eyebrow done. Honestly, I swear this took me like 5 minutes, and I've never professionally gotten my eyebrows done before. I just feel like it's such a waste. My hair grows out in like 2 to 3 days, regardless if I tweeze it, thread it, wax it or just shave it. So I'm like, you know what, shaving it is the least painful option, so let me just go with that. If you do want to know how I used to thread my eyebrows back in the day, I don't know how the hell I went through that pain, but I did. If you do want to know how I did that, I can just make another video in like a week when my eyebrows are completely grown out and bushy again. And that's it, a nice short video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow my socials as well as Douglas's, which will be linked down in the description below. And don't forget to watch our previous videos, which will be linked at the end of this video. Don't forget to join our Discord community where we can just chat to each other and share memes. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!